Welcome back, and today we're going to be taking some dollar store pool noodles and turning them into Halloween candles. First up, we're going to need to measure and cut the pool noodles to varying lengths. Next up, we're going to widen the top hole with a knife to fit the tea light candles.
Somebody help!
Now we're going to take our hot glue gun and attach the noodles together. For a drippy wax effect, use a hot glue gun to drip more glue onto the top and sides of the noodles. Now spray paint the entire structure to achieve your desired color and finish.
Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Up came the sun and dried up all the rain.
Once the paint is dried, it's time to insert the tea lights into place.